Welcome to our YouTube channel and heartiest greetings from Technovision Academy's Advanced Electrical Engineering Training and Research Institute for all types of power industry trainings on a single platform. If you like the contents, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get the updates of advancements in power sector technologies and to know about useful training courses for power industry engineers, students, professionals, consultants, universities and research labs. Today we are going to see what is the importance of learning artificial intelligence, AI, to an electrical engineer due to advancements in power sector technologies. Learning artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming increasingly important for electrical engineers. Here are some reasons why. AI is transforming the field. AI is already being used in various electrical engineering applications, such as power system monitoring, fault diagnosis, and control systems. As the technology continues to evolve, it will likely become even more prevalent in the field. It can enhance career prospects. Having knowledge of AI can make an electrical engineer more competitive in the job market. Many companies are looking for engineers with experience in AI, and those who can incorporate it into their work may have an advantage. It can improve problem-solving skills. Learning AI requires developing skills in areas such as machine learning, data analysis, and algorithm development. These skills can also be applied to other areas of electrical engineering, allowing engineers to tackle complex problems more effectively. It can lead to innovation. With knowledge of AI, electrical engineers can develop new applications and technologies that can improve efficiency, safety, and performance. This can lead to the development of new products and services that can have a significant impact on society. Overall, learning AI can provide numerous benefits for an electrical engineer. It can help to advance their career, enhance their problem-solving skills, and lead to new and innovative applications in the field. So please join our 15 days training program on application of artificial intelligence in power industry at affordable price. Course registration link and syllabus of course is given in the description box of this video. Also you can send us WhatsApp message on +91 78210 53891 or email us on info@technovisionacademy.in. Course Coordinator, Technovision Academy. For more information about our services, please visit our website on www.technovisionacademy.in. Thanks for watching the video and becoming member of our YouTube channel.